નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Okay, students, now to our next question is the question number 5. In question number 5, find the length of diagonal of a rectangle whose length is 24 centimeter and breadth is 7 centimeter. It means one rectangle is given, in rectangle length and breadth is given, but we have to find the diagonals. So dear students, this one is our rectangle. Give the name A, B, C and D. Right? In this rectangle, length is equal to 24 centimeters. Means here is 24. So opposite sides are same. This means this one is also for the 24. And the breadth is 7. This means this one is 7 and this one is also for the 7. Now we have to find the diagonal. So what is the diagonal? So this one is our diagonal. We have to draw only one diagonal. If any rectangles, two diagonals. This means any quadrilateral, how many diagonals? Two diagonals. Any quadrilateral. Okay? So this one is our diagonals. Now we have to find our diagonals. This means B and D. How to find? Any idea? Yes. This one is all the angle of a rectangle is 90 degree. In rectangle, all the angle is right angle. This means 90 degree angles. Okay? So we have to discuss about our first. This means this triangle. So in triangle, in this triangle, only one triangle ABD. If you are choice in this one is also for the right. We have to draw A, B and D. The triangle ABD, this triangles की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ. In this triangle, this angle is the right angle. Okay? So using the right angle triangle, this means Pythagoras theorem. Using the Pythagoras theorem, we have to find the diagonal's length. So what is the Pythagoras theorem? The Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Now what is the hypotenuse? So 90 to opposite side always a hypotenuse. It means this one is our hypotenuse side. So it means BD square is equal to 24 square plus 7 square. It means base square or perpendicular square. Base square plus perpendicular square or perpendicular square plus base square. आप जो लिख सकता हो लिख सकते हो. So BD square, this one is as it is. Now 24 square. What is the 24 square? 24 square is means 576 plus 7 square 49. Okay? Now BD square, this one is as it is. 576 plus 49 and your answer is 625. Right? 625. Now here both the side, but sure, here is the BD square, but we have to find the only BD. It means square हमें निकालना पड़ेगा, square को दूर करना पड़ेगा. Now how to remove the square? If you remove the square, then apply square root sign. It means BD square. In square root BD square, here also for the apply 625 square root. This one is the square root sign, dear students. If you apply the square root sign, it means square and square root cut. Here is only for BD. Now 625, it means we have to find the square root of 625. What is the square root of 625? The square root of 625 is 25. Why? Because 25 multiplied by 25, then 625. यानी कि 25 का आप square करोगे तो 625 मिलेगा. The square root of 625, this one is 25. So understand? So our diagonals is equal to 25 centimeter. It means this one is diagonals is equal to how many length? 25 centimeter. Understand? Now to the next questions. Sixth one. Find the perimeter of a rectangle whose breadth is 9 centimeter and diagonals is 41 centimeter. We have to find the perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of the rectangle. perimeter of the rectangles, what is the formula? 2 in bracket length plus breadth. Breadth is given, but length is not given. It means we have to first of all find the length. Okay, हमें पहले क्या find करना पड़ेगा? Length. Let's start. So first of all, draw one rectangle. Draw one diagonal. Give the name M, N, O, and P. Breadth is given. What is the breadth? The breadth is 9. So this one is also for the 9. Diagonal is given. This one is our 41 diagonal. And see, right angle. This one is also for the right angle. All the angles is right angle. This one is right angle. This one is also for the right angle. Now, if you choose this triangle, if you choose this triangle, आपको जो ट्राइंगल चॉइस करना हो आप कर सकते हो, दोनों में आंसर आपको सेम ही मिलेगा. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. तो दिस वन इज द इन ट्राइंगल PON. ओके, PON. So PON is the right angle triangle, right? So this one is right angle. Right angle to opposite side. This one is always the hypotenuse side. It means first of all PN square is equal to NO square plus OP square. So using Pythagorean theorem, we have to use the Pythagorean theorem. Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So PN, what is the PN? 41. So 41 square. NO, this one is not given, so this one is as it is, plus OP is given 9 square. 41 square. So 41 multiplied by 41. 41 square is means 1681 is equal to this one is as it is, plus 9 square is means 81. So this in 81 transfer to this side, 1681 minus 81, and here in this side NO square is as it is. If you subtract these two, then your answer is 1600 is equal to NO square is as it is. Now we have to find the only NO, it means remove square. How to remove square? Apply both the side, square root sign. Square root is here 1600, also for the square root apply in this side, so NO square. Here square and square root cut, it means only for NO. Now here is apply the square root sign. It means 1600 square root. So 1600 square root 40. 1600 square root is equal to 40. Why? Because 40 multiplied by 40 is means 1600. It means our length is equal to 40. It means this one is the 40 and this one is also for the 40. Now length is given. So using the perimeter of rectangle formula, 2 in bracket length plus breadth. 2 length is equal to 40 and breadth is equal to 9. 2 40 plus 9 is means 49. 2 multiplied by 49 is means 98 centimeter. So the perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 98 centimeter. So understand these two questions. Okay. Now our next question number 7. The perimeter of the rhombus is 52 centimeter. If one of its diagonal measure 24 centimeter, find the length of other diagonals. It means we have to find the other diagonals length. So first of all we have to draw our rhombus. A, B, C and D. In rhombus all the sides are same, right? So perimeter is given and diagonals is given, the two diagonals of any quadrilateral. So this one is my two diagonals, and these two diagonals are intersect is here. It means give the name is O, right? In rhombus two diagonals are intersect at the right angle, it means 90 degree. All here, this one is all in 90 degree, right? So first of all perimeter is given and find the other diagonals. The perimeter is given. So what is the formula? Perimeter of rhombus is equal to 4 multiplied by side. Perimeter of rhombus is means 52 is equal to 4 multiplied by side. side is not given, to 452 divided by 4 is equal to side, right? 13 is equal to side. It means, dear students, here given a rhombus, all the side is 13, 13, 13 and 13 सेंटीमीटर. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमारे पास साइड नहीं थी, इसलिए हमने पहले साइड फाइंड की पेरीमीटर ऑफ रोम्बस की यूज से. साइड में मिली कितनी? 13. नाउ one diagonal is given, this one is the 24, it means total length is 24, but here is intersect. Intersect means two equal part, so this one is 12 centimeter, this one is also for the 12 centimeter. It means OD is equal to 12 centimeter and OB is equal to 12 centimeter. Now total is means 24. Understand? Okay, so see dear students, here is the 4 triangle, but we have to using only one triangle. So this one is the right angle triangle, this side is given, this side is not given, and this side is also for the given. It means we have to use in this triangle. So in this triangle's name, it means in triangle AOD. AOD. In this triangle, O is a right angle. So using the Pythagorean theorem, the right angle to opposite side is called the hypotenuse side. It means AD square is equal to AO square plus OD square. Hypotenuse side square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. AD is means 13 square is equal to AO is not given, so AO as it is, plus OD, O and D, this one is 12 centimeter. 13 square is equal to 169. AO square is as it is, plus 12 square is means 144. Now 144 in this side, so 169 minus 144, AO square is as it is. If you subtract these two, then answer is 25 is equal to AO square. Remove the square, then apply both the sides square root sign. Here is square root 25 and here in square root AO square. Square and square root cut is means AO. If you are square root of 25, it means 5 centimeter. It means AO in this one is the 5 centimeter. So this one is also for the 5 centimeter. It means diagonal 5 plus 5 means 10 centimeter. Second diagonal is equal to 10 centimeter. Why? Because here AO we have to find. AO is equal to 5 centimeter. So OC is equal to also for the 5 centimeter. So total 10 centimeter. Understand? Clear? Last questions. Find the length of a diagonal of a rectangle whose perimeter is 28 centimeter and breadth is 6 centimeter. Now this one is the reverse of the question number 6. In question number 6, diagonal is given, breadth is given, we have to find the perimeter. Now in the perimeter is given. So first of all, perimeter is given, it means we have to find the length. So draw one rectangle K, L, M and N. In this one 6 is given, right? We have to find the diagonal, it means this one is our diagonal to we have to draw. So perimeter is given, so first of all start the perimeter of rectangle. Why? Because we have to find the length. Breadth is given, we have to find the length. So using the perimeter of rectangle, 2 in bracket, length plus breadth. Perimeter of rectangle is given, the 28 is equal to 2. Length is not given, breadth is given is 6. 2 in this side, so 28 divided by 2. Here remaining only for length plus 6. 28 divided by 2 is means 14. L plus 6. We have to find the length. The 6 in this side, 14 minus 6 is equal to length. 14 minus 6 is means 8 is equal to length, 8 centimeter. This means length is equal to 8 centimeter, this one is 8 centimeter and this one is 6 centimeter. All the angle is right angle, so using the hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square, this means using the Pythagoras theorem. So in triangle LMN, this triangle, इस ट्राइंगल की मैं बात कर रहा हूं, हाइपोटेनियस टू ऑपोजिट, so it means ln square is equal to lm square plus mn square. ln is not given, so this one is as it is. Lm is given, it means 8 square. Mn is given, it means 6 square. Ln square is equal to 8 square 64, 6 square 36. Ln square 64 plus 36, it means 100. Square root sign apply. Ln square is equal to, here is square root sign 100. स्क्वायर एंड स्क्वायर रूट कट ln 100 का स्क्वायर रूट हो जा 10 सेंटीमीटर. इट्स मीन्स ln, तो दिस वन इज diameter, diagonal, and diagonals is equal to 10 centimeter. So understands, dear students, these types of the problems. Got it? So check if you are right or wrong solution. If you are wrong solution, then check and write in right solution of in your textbook, workbook, fair book, extra book. If you
Thank you for joining us.